Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who I'm back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. That's right, guys. I got another install video for y'all. So a lot of y'all commented on the video when I installed the fog light covers on red here. Everybody said that I should get one for the light bar, and I agree. I should have found one for the light bar, and I end up finding one. So Laminex, right here, the same company that makes it for the fog lights, has one for light bar. So I found one for the light bar. Look, let me just go put everything down. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch that video, but I'll show y'all here really quick. So these are fog light covers, is how I tinted my fog lights right there, as you can see. One, they do make one for the light bar here. So that's what I'm going to be putting on today. Now, the thing about this is important. With my fog lights, I did go to dark smoke, the dark smoke one. So for my light bar, I did not go to dark smoke because they basically did say, Laminex on their website, that it will block your light output by 20 to 30% is what they said. I didn't want that to happen because I actually use my light bar quite a bit now since we moved out. There's some dark roads around here at nighttime we come home, so I do use my light bar. So I went a lighter shade, and I'll just show y'all here. So I did go like the lighter gray color, lighter tint smoke this time. I think they have it on here. Yeah, I went C, and I think I went G for the fog light. Again, just because I use my light bar at nighttime, I didn't want to reduce my light output by this much. Apparently this one does not reduce it. Maybe, I think they say about 5%, maybe, if that. So this will give it more of a black chrome look. I'm curious how it's gonna look. I did get a 2" by 30, so hopefully this is gonna be tall enough now that I'm looking at it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it should be in there. And then, so I'm just gonna measure here like this. So my light bar is only 22 inches long, and this is 30 inches long, so I'm gonna have to cut it just a little bit, but I'm just measure it. I got my marker, and yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get to the install. Shouldn't take long, maybe 2 minutes. Just wipe it off and then stick it. So here we go. Let's get a before and after look. So that's before, as y'all can see there. Y'all can see the difference with the fog lights being tinted. So yeah, here we go.
Heathens got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe
like that. It is done. I will say it does look pretty good. It does get a truck a nice blacked out front look. Y'all probably saw it, and I'm actually glad I did go with the light gray. It actually doesn't look bad. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all really quick. Boom. That's what it looks like now, guys, as y'all can see. Yeah, what y'all think? Think it looks better? You know, I think the dark smoke would have blacked it out a little more. But again, I didn't want to lose my visibility with the light bar. That's the point of the light bar, is to have it, you know? But I think this actually looks pretty good, I will say. You know, I think that looks really, what y'all think? Comment below. Definitely blacks out the front end of the truck now, for sure. And if you're wondering why the contrast may look different in the middle, these bulbs here, they're just different bulbs than the two on the outside. Like these two outside sections, the bulbs are just different. So, that's why. So it does look like in the middle, it's like a little blacker or darker, but that's just how the bulbs are on the actual light bar. So yeah, let me turn the light on real quick, see what it looks like. Okay, we got the light bar on here. So yep, that's how it's gonna look with the light bar now. Right there. I got some bulbs out actually. I just realized that on my light bar, guys. Look at this. These three are out. I just realized that, man. Huh. I have had this light bar now for a few years or so. So yeah, I did not know that, but they definitely are out. I don't even know if I want to call the company and get a new one because it's been over 2 years, I'm sure. And finding somebody to mount this might be hard because the shop I found to do it the first time actually was very lucky that the guy who did it knew how to do it because he'd done it before. So I didn't have any issues, but any other shop had trouble, but he was pretty good at it. But yeah, that's how it looks now. Go turn these lights off really quick. So if you're looking to give your light bar a tinted out look, I'll definitely drop this in the link below for you and tag it, so y'all can go get you one. Like 20 bucks, not 25 bucks for this, for the size I got. I think the shorter lengths are cheaper, but yeah, there you go. One more time, good look at it. Definitely think it looks better though. Definitely blacks out the front of the truck for sure. Like really, really good. Oh, you scared me. It's a big dog. Anyway, guys, yeah, y'all go check it out. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm glad I didn't go the darker one, but it looks pretty good, man. Anyway, that's all I got. Quick video for y'all. It's your boy Q. Y'all asked for it. We got the Lightbar tinted out. Yeah, I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is a tough 'Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine.